Okay, boys and girls, we are going to count to the number 7. Our number of the day today is the number 7. Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Point to the number 7 on your screen like this. Great job pointing to 7, you guys. Okay, I have the number 7 here, and we are going to practice tracing the number 7 on our screen. Ready? We're going to start at this dot, and we're going to go across, and we're going to slant down like this. Ready? Let's try again. Start at the dot. Go across and slant down like this. Great job, boys and girls.